Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you're enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 4. We are learning Unit 1. Its title is Speaking the Truth. Today is Lecture 8, my fellow teachers. This lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, print it, follow it as it is, or modified for your convenience. I'm going to deliver this lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today is Lecture 8 and we'll learn writing a paragraph. We'll cover page number 12 of your book. Before this, in English for grade 3, I have taught you writing a paragraph. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video again. So today we'll learn further and we'll cover the SLO. Use the reading texts as models for their own writing and spell some words studied in class, both orally and in writing. These are our today's SLOs. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Surah Al-Alq, verse 3 till 5, read, and your Lord is the most generous, who taught by the pen, taught man that which he did not know. Yes, my dear children, Allah is mentioning teaching by the pen. What does it mean? Allah taught us in writing. And what is that? Our Quran, alhamdulillah. So this verse tells us that we should teach by writing and we should learn writing as well. That is what we are going to do today. So first of all, you tell me, what is a paragraph? What is a paragraph? Pause the video and answer this question to your teacher. What do you think? What is a paragraph? Yes, my dear students, I hope you have answered. And what a paragraph is a series of sentences that are organized and are all related to a single topic. Paragraphs can contain many different kinds of information. A paragraph could contain a series of brief examples or a single long illustration of a general point. So simply what we can say, a paragraph is a series of sentences about a single topic. All right, in that topic, you may mention general point of view or specific information, whatever. So a paragraph basically consists of 3 parts. The first sentence or the opening sentence. The first sentence of the paragraph is called opening sentence, and this sentence tells what the paragraph is about. It comprises of 1 or 2 lines. Then comes the body of the paragraph. It contains the discussion about the topic in detail. It may consist of 3 to 4 or more lines. All right, so the body of the paragraph, basically, it comprises of the basic details. Whatever you know about that topic, you have to put it in the body of the paragraph. And then comes the last sentence, which sums up or conclude the discussion. It may also comprise of 1 to 2 lines. So last sentence you have to conclude whatever you have mentioned. This is example I have mentioned here. So this first line is telling you what this paragraph is about. This is the evidence and this is the supporting evidence. And the last line comprises, it tells you where you are going to conclude the statement. This is how we plan and write a paragraph. Now, my dear fellow teachers, you may take the same example, you may take another, pause the video and make sure every child should know how to write a paragraph. So pause the video and discuss in detail. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? So it's our activity time. What we are supposed to do? All of you open your book on page number 6 and the last paragraph of this page you are going to read. Okay? What you will do, you will read this paragraph thoroughly, you will understand it, And you will also memorize the spellings of all the difficult words, because right after, when you will come back, I'm going to ask you spellings and you will write as well. So be ready, read it, comprehend it, and learn the spellings. Pause the video, enjoy this activity. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. Now, all of you, open your notebook, hold your pencil. I'm going to say the words from this paragraph. You will write these words in your notebook. Okay? So, all of you, be ready. I'm going to say the words and you will write it. Okay? So, the first word is truthfulness. Second is Allah Almighty. Third word is trust. Respect. Regard. Displeased. Liar. Practice. Good deeds. Good deeds. And the last word is rewarded. Rewarded. Stop writing. You may match your spellings with the slide. I have mentioned all the words over here. And the now interesting point is that you see these all words are word bank for you. Now you have read just a paragraph. You have this word bank. You have memorized the spelling. By the concept which you just learned from the paragraph and these words, join them all together and write a paragraph. This is an activity on page number 12 of your book. All of you will write a short paragraph on speaking the truth is a good habit. And you will write just 5 to 6 lines. Okay. Now all of you pause the video, write a beautiful paragraph of your own. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. Now, teachers kindly check these paragraphs and give the feedback to the students. So, my dear students, I'm going to give you a homework. You will write a paragraph about your good habits. Okay, yesterday we talked about many good habits. So, you will write just one paragraph about your good habits. And I'm giving you this worksheet. Dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly give a printed worksheet to my students. And students, once again, you will write a paragraph about the things you do the best. All right. So what we have learned today, we learned how to write a paragraph, and we used the reading text as a model for writing. And we also spelled some words studied in class, both orally and in writing. So in this way, we achieved our both SLOs to use the reading text as models for their own writing and spell some words studied in class, both orally and in writing. So are we done with it? Yes. That's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning. Take very good care of yourself and the people around you. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.